And welcome to our presentation on sensor technology for controlled environment agriculture. My name is Justin Walsh. I am an application and business development engineer at Vaisala with a background in environmental engineering and electrochemical measurement technology. Today we'll be discussing how indoor farms can achieve consistent growth with reliable measurements. I'll begin the presentation with some background about controlled environment agriculture, or CEA, as well as some general market information. Today I'll be focusing more on the operation, control, and business considerations of sealed growing systems. And so a more comprehensive overview of CEA, you can look for my previous webinar about modern greenhouse growing on Vaisala.com. After that, I'll discuss some of the major control variables in sealed system growing operations, like vertical and container farms, paying attention to humidity, vapor pressure deficit, and carbon dioxide enrichment. These variables have broad implications for both the quality of the products grown, as well as the sustainability of the operation, making them deserving of quality measurement. Then I'll cover some notable features of Vaisala sensor technology and how reliable measurement performance can deliver benefits beyond accuracy. Because we all know, in order to improve something, you first have to measure it so that you can understand it. Accurate humidity and temperature measurement are then the key to tightly controlling for VPD in the built space. And so there's good justification for higher quality measurement. Minimum levels of control can involve bringing in fresh air so that the CO2 level remains at the outdoor condition or concentration. But more popular options include supplemental CO2, either generated through combustion or supplied with gas. Choosing the right technology for your growing operations can have a lasting effect on consistency and the effort it takes to maintain tight controls.